Okay, what is the pH when you mix 75 milliliters of 1 molar lactic acid with 25 milliliters of 1 molar sodium lactate? Okay, lactic acid is a weak acid and sodium lactate is its conjugate base. Because we have a weak acid system with its conjugate acid, we have a buffer. For buffers, we can calculate the pH using Henderson-Hasselbalch. pH equals pKa plus the log of A minus over HA. And we can put moles in moles of A minus and HA. Because our lactic acid solution and our solution of sodium lactate have the same concentration, this mole ratio of A minus to HA will be the same as the volume ratio. It's also important to note that the pKa of lactic acid is 3.86. So we can substitute into Henderson-Hasselbalch pH equals 3.86 plus the log of 0.25. Actually, let's do the log of 25 over 75. Again, we're using the volumes because these concentrations are the same, so the volume ratio will be the same as the mole ratio of A minus and HA. And A minus is the lactate, and HA is lactic acid.
Great.
So pH equals 3.86 plus the log of 1 over 3. And the pH equals 3.38.